Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DIY winemaking kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to explore the world of winemaking from the comfort of your home. This kit provides everything you need to get started, from the fermentation equipment to the ingredients. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a complete beginner, this kit offers a fun and accessible way to create your own delicious wines, tailored to your personal taste. Number 5. Home Brew Ohio 1-gallon wine from Fruit Kit. This kit makes it easy to create your own wine. It's a complete set, perfect for beginners. Just add your favorite fruit and start brewing. The beauty of this kit is its simplicity. You have the freedom to choose the fruit you love. It is a fun and rewarding experience. Don't worry if you're new to winemaking. The included instructions and recipe book guide you through every step. It makes the process simple. The mini auto-siphon is included to help you transfer your wine easily. This tool makes the process cleaner and more efficient. It is a great addition to the kit. You can also get a test jar to monitor your wine's progress. It is sold separately, allowing you to customize your brewing experience. This gives you more control. What we like. This kit is all about simplicity and fresh flavors. It lets you focus on the star of the show, your favorite fruit. The included auto-siphon makes the process a breeze. If you are looking for a fun and easy way to get started with winemaking, this is a great choice. What people say. The system comes with clear instructions and all the essential tools, making it easy to get started right away. The system's design is compact yet robust, fitting perfectly on my countertop without taking up too much space. It includes everything needed for novice winemakers to produce a gallon of wine, along with all the necessary accessories. Number 4. Craft Brew Chardonnay Winemaking Kit. You don't need to be an expert to make great wine. This kit provides everything you need to create a delicious batch. It includes enough ingredients and supplies for a gallon of wine. This Australian Chardonnay has a supple taste with hints of toast and spice. It offers a soft mouthfeel and balanced acidity, with flavors of vanilla, oak, citrus, and tropical fruit. The finish is medium-long and balanced. The kit includes high-quality yeast, additives, and fruit juice. These ingredients come from some of the world's most respected vineyards. You can enjoy delicious wine made at home. This kit includes all the supplies you need to get started. It comes with a carboy, funnel, tubing, airlock, and a guide. You can make quality wine with top-notch supplies. All the supplies and equipment are assembled by hand in Orlando, Florida. The kit is made with high-quality ingredients and an environmentally sustainable mindset. Enjoy a glass of wine made with your own Craft Brew kit. What we like. This kit is designed for beginners, providing everything you need to make a delicious Chardonnay. It uses high-quality ingredients, ensuring a delightful flavor. If you are new to winemaking and want a complete, easy-to-follow kit, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Everything you need comes neatly packaged, making it a breeze for both novices and seasoned home vintners. The instructions are clear and concise, which is a blessing. It makes 1 gallon of wine, which is about 5 bottles. Number 3. VEVOR 8 gallons alcohol still distiller kit. This distiller is perfect for both beginners and experts. It allows you to create fruit wine, purify water, or distill brandy. The versatile design makes it easy to use. The 8-gallon capacity lets you distill up to 30 liters of raw material. The boiler, condenser, and thumper are all made with food-grade materials. This ensures the quality of your product. The open-type cooling method and copper coils provide fast thermal conductivity. The 2 kegs, thumper and condenser, are perfect for adding flavors. A circulating water pump is included to save water. A precise thermometer with both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings makes it easy to monitor the temperature. The design ensures efficient cooling. This makes the process simple and effective. Food-grade silicone tubes and quick clips ensure a tight seal. The one-way air evacuation valve is great for grain fermentation. This design keeps everything secure. The thickened bottom works with gas stoves, ceramic stoves, and electric coil stoves. It is suitable for various heating methods. This provides flexibility in how you use it. What we like. This still offers a large capacity for distilling various liquids. The efficient cooling system ensures a high-quality product. If you are looking for a versatile still for distilling a variety of spirits, this is a great option. What people say. The still came faster than I expected, is sturdier than I expected, especially for the price, and was packaged really well. The setup took minutes and I'm pretty good to go whenever I need it. It even comes with extra seals and a water pump, which is a great bonus. Number 2. Fontana French Cabernet Sauvignon Wine Kit. This kit allows you to make your own French Cabernet Sauvignon. It features a blackcurrant flavor with firm tannins and a hint of mint. This kit will help you create a delicious wine. The kit uses high-quality ingredients sourced from top vineyards. It includes a wine base, brewer's yeast, and other essential components. You can be assured of a premium winemaking experience. You can customize your wine to your liking. The kit provides the basic ingredients, allowing you to add your own flavor packs. Experiment with oak or berry flavors to create a unique taste. Our wine kits have received numerous awards and accolades. They have earned over 30 gold medals. You can be confident in the quality and taste of the wine you make. This wine kit makes a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special event. The best part is that the finished wine is meant to be shared and enjoyed with others. What we like. This kit allows you to create a classic French Cabernet Sauvignon. It uses high-quality ingredients from top vineyards. If you like the idea of customizing your wine with extra flavors, this kit gives you the flexibility to do so. What people say. Wine has a very nice flavor. Oak chips included. Each batch yielded around 28-ish bottles of delicious wine, which was a pleasant surprise. This is the third time I've purchased this kit. I get compliments from many people on this cab. 13% ABV on the nose, as advertised. Number 1. Fontana Pinot Noir Wine Kit, 6-gallon DIY. Experience the California coast at your table. This kit brings the drama without the high price. It uses grapes from top areas for a smooth Pinot Noir, yielding 30 bottles. The kit uses top-quality ingredients from the best vineyards. It includes a wine base, yeast, and other essentials. Remember, equipment and bottles are not included. Make your own wine. This DIY kit provides the basics for a great wine. You can add your own flavors, like oak or berries, to experiment with the taste and color. This kit has won many awards. It has received over 30 gold medals. You can be sure that it is a high-quality product. This wine kit is a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for Christmas or birthdays. The best part is that the wine is best when shared, so they can enjoy it with others. What we like. This kit brings the taste of California Pinot Noir to your home. It uses high-quality ingredients, and you can customize the flavors. If you are a fan of Pinot Noir and want to try making your own, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Complete kit makes excellent wine. Great for beginners or experienced winemakers. Wine is dry with full taste. I've been making wine for over 10 years and this Pinot Noir is one of the best for the price. Impressively, each batch produced around 30 bottles of truly scrumptious wine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.